Okay, in this video, we are going to go over something super easy, super simple. You may think, oh, well, that's obvious, but sometimes it isn't obvious. And sometimes the hardest thing to find is that thing that's right in front of you. And that is a simple, how do I log out of Xperiencify? Because if you're looking at like my screen and you don't see a place, and so I'm doing this because at the first I had to actually look for it. So as I said, I know people may get even frustrated trying to find something so easy. So basically I'm on my hub and I go to the left side, which says Xperiencify, and you got your courses, and I scroll down and there is the logout. Oops, why is my pointer is in the way? Let me click that off, the little box that I use to screencast. Anyway, you see logout? That is it. You just click there and you're logged out. It is super simple. It's on the left side. You go down to the bottom. It's just that sometimes, as I said, the most simplest thing, if you don't see it because it's down on the left, you would miss it. So that is it. That is how to log out of Xperiencify.